Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group. Okay, the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And while coming to the present content of the video, here we are going to see the huge teaching vacancies notification from the 15 government universities, guys. Here I am going to show you the list of the universities in this video.
So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1 educator. So we will see one small announcement. The candidates who are waiting for the UGC NET Electronic Science complete course. So here from Feb 1st 2021 onwards for the new batch, the course is going to start from the Unacademy. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. So here the different subscription plans are mentioned on the screen. You may take any one of the subscription plan based upon when you are planning to write the exam. And here my referral code is also mentioned, that is Ashwani K. Okay, if you want to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plans, then you may use my referral code.
Here in the Still Outlook website, we got this one, guys. Discover list of more than 15 government universities where faculty recruitment is open. So here I will show you the list of those 15 government universities and how many number of vacancies are there, what is the last date to apply for that one. All these details we will see. And regarding the individual universities, that I will do the individual videos in my upcoming videos. Okay. So for that one, please subscribe my channel to get the regular notifications, or else you may join in my Telegram group also. So here I will show you the list of universities, guys. The first one is, the list of the government colleges or the universities. So first one is IIT Mandi. The closing date is 14th Feb 21st. And the next one is Siddharth University, Kapilavastu. Closing date is 17th Feb 2021. The total 45 faculty posts are there. And next one is Indira Gandhi University. So 29th Jan 21st is the last date. Next, the Children's University Gandhinagar, 27 Jan. And IIIT-DM Jabalpur, 3rd Feb. So the Children's University, the last date is already over. Anyhow, if any extension is there, that one you may check by entering into the official website of this Children's University. And the next one is Raiganj University. The 31st Jan is the last date. And next, Hansraj College, University of Delhi. And next, Govind Balla Pant Social Science Institute, Allahabad, 28th Jan. And Dayalbag Educational Institute, Agra. It is a rolling basis, so you may apply at any time. And next one is NIT Jalandhar, 12th Feb. And Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, 31st Jan. And NIT Mizoram, 12th Feb. And IIT Tirupati, 29th Jan. And IIM Visakhapatnam, 1st Feb. And Assam University, 1st Feb. Okay. So these are the closing dates of these individual universities or the government colleges, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the teaching positions in the government colleges. So here few colleges are offering the permanent faculty positions and few are offering the contractual basis positions. So to get those details, subscribe the channel, that you will get the notifications whatever the videos I am doing, okay, regarding the PhD admissions as well as the recruitment notifications, guys. Fine. So if you are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is the India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.